In this Amazon tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove addresses or shipping addresses from your Amazon account. So there's a one-click affiliate link down in the description or in the top comment. It'll take you right to your addresses, or you can follow along right here. So when you're logged in, you can go up here to your profile area and go down to your account, or just click on your name up there and it'll pull open this page. In somewhere in here, if it moves around, it might not be in the same spot, you'll see your addresses. So when we click on your addresses, we're going to see any addresses that we have attached to our account. Now, if there's one that you want to remove or edit, you'll find those buttons at the bottom of the address. So this one down here, I want to remove. So I'm going to click remove. It's going to ask me to confirm, and it will affect, or removing it will not affect any pending orders. They'll still be shipped there, but to make sure that there are no interruptions for anything, you might want to make sure that all the settings for subscriptions or anything like that are changed before you remove an address. But once we want to remove it, we just click the yes button right here, and that address will be removed. That is how you can remove an address on Amazon.